Should we do a little bit of work and investigating on a Honda Dream? Let's do it. Hey wrenchers, welcome back to the channel. Today, kind of an oddball video. We are going to get to work a little bit on a Dream, all right? A Honda Dream. I believe this was from 1967. Don't quote me on that, but kind of an interesting situation where a wrencher reached out, had a question about a particular detail on this bike. Actually, not this bike, actually a CA95 Baby Dream. Now, I'm thinking this Dream is pretty much the same as the Baby Dream, but we're gonna find out and we're gonna dive in to the center stand setup on a Honda Dream or Baby Dream motorcycle. And quite honestly, the easiest thing to do right now, just while we investigate, is to tip the motorcycle over so we can get a good look at the underside. And here is what we are looking at. All right, we've got a center stand, a bracket, a spring, and a long bolt that goes all the way across and actually strangely serves as a muffler mounting point as well. Let's dig into it. A couple of things that I'm most interested in is how this assembly for the muffler mounts goes, and also this bracket, and then also just how's this whole center pin kind of work out. So we're gonna start diving into this and see what the evening brings. First things first, it sure does look like we're gonna need to get this front mount off on the muffler. And then down here, we're gonna have to go and get that mount off as well. Looks like a pretty big nut there. Looks like this lower muffler mount is going to be a 17. I did pre-lubricate this with a little bit of penetrating oil, so this should come off. This actually turned really, really easy. I hope the whole damn project goes like that. And down under here, nut, locking washer, and a washer. We'll go ahead and take off this bottom 17 as well. We gotta go ahead and get these front muffler mounts out, and these are a 14. And these are a big long bugger with a locking washer. Now let's move up to the top, 10 millimeter, and let's loosen our headers. Hope you heard that crack. 2 bolts, one on this side, one on the bottom. Kind of weird, I don't see a washer and a locking washer here. All right, got both of those. No washers. That collar should pop out. Now we should be able to wiggle this muffler out of position here. All right, just those 3 mounting points. Let's rock this back and forth. I think that's everything. It's getting hung up on this foot peg. This little front foot peg here, there was a little bolt underneath here. This should just pull up. Just like that. And there we go, and for some reason it's tied to the brake switch. Interesting. But now I can get this muffler out of the way. All right, now we're getting into the center stand. There is one more nut here. This says 17. So again, the muffler is being pancaked kind of in between. This is that lower muffler mount. All right, so we'll take this off. I still can't stop puzzling about why the hell this would be like this. Man, you always run across the most interesting things when you ride a Honda. Now we can really start to see what's going on here. So this is the center pin for the center stand. And there is this weird bracket. It doesn't look like there's any retainer pin or anything. I gotta bet that there's gotta be a locking pin or something on that. And this is tied to the spring over here. This is one of the things I was super curious about because I've never seen one of these brackets before. Yeah, I don't know. Like, look what I mean here. You know, it's just kind of teetering there. Do I just try pop that off with a Phillips? Better yet, let's hit her with a little bit of PB blaster. I'm gonna be absolutely blown away if this pops right off, but let's see what happens. No, of course, that's way too easy. I think instead it might be a little bit easier to get up underneath here and actually get the spring off. I'm just gonna roll some camera and see if I can actually get this going here. Just trying to find a point of leverage. There, got it. Hopefully that was on camera. So here's this little mounting plate that looks like there's a little pin. Okay, so it's got a slot in it. I get it. So it just mounts in, and there's a little groove right there. So big end down, slide up over to the actual stand. All right, that's how that goes. Weirdo. So again, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure a Dream and a Baby Dream would be kind of manufactured the same way. This 100% is where this center stand gets mounted to. Super confident about that. Well, I guess I might as well lift the bugger back up, and let's tackle the other side. Let's knock these two 10 millimeters out of the front. And again, no washers or locking washers. Weird. All right, those are out. This should all fall apart, and then there's going to be two of these. Don't lose them. Now let's switch from a 10 millimeter to a 14 millimeter. And let's get this top one out of there. There, love that snap. And this one does, oh, look at that. These mufflers have seen better days, but there's another one with a locking nut on it. Well, and looking underneath here, there was no nut, so this muffler should find its way out. You would think so, but brake pedals hold me up just a little bit, but no worries, it'll come out of there too. Before I go any further, I'm gonna bag and tag all these parts. This video is gonna be useful for me in the future. And looking down below here, here's that other 17. Look at this. This is just coming off. It was finger tight. That ain't good. There's a washer back there. From here, I'm gonna see if I can get lucky and just use a rubber mallet and hit this bolt. That's going all the way through. Let's see. I would imagine it's gonna be seized up. It's moving. Look at that. Gentle taps. Not going crazy. But we should be able to go along the other side now and grab that bolt. Let's tip this old girl back over again. And right here you can see that pin. That's going to come out. And just like that, our center stand is out. Now looking at the center stand, it does look like there are a couple of inserts. Oh, it's one big long insert inside there. Just like that, hiding out in there. And these are the center stand parts, as far as I can tell. Can't forget about this little doohickey too, all right? You're gonna need that. Now let's take a little closer look at the frame, all right? Zoom in here, I'm gonna pan you up just a little bit. This is welded. This is a post that's welded, and it looks like this is holding the rear brake spring, it looks like. Yeah, so here's where, oh man, hard to show you. This is where that brake switch should have been mounted. See if there, oh, and there's a little mount for it, I think, up here. But yeah, that thing feeds all the way through here. And then there's a big center gap. And it goes right back into a deal. Now that's where that whole master pin goes all the way through. Just like that. Let me zoom back. I'll show you that again. It should be just like that. And then on the outside of this, you do a nut. And then your muffler, lower mount, and then a nut. That is how the center stand comes out. And those are all the parts. Now that I can't get it back out. And this really was the question that I was trying to really confirm is, where is that center stand mounted through? Does it go through this one? Is it going through here? It was just really hard to tell because the CA95 that a wrencher is working on didn't have a center stand. We're trying to figure it out. And it felt really weird to have mufflers mounted to that and whatnot. But yeah, it's literally just that long pin through these welded to the frame parts right here. Well, I made one hell of a mess trying to figure that one out. So there you go. That's what I can show you as far as the center stand setup, all the different parts, and how it's actually mounted. So that's on a Dream. Let me know in the comments if the Dream and the CA95 are basically just scales of each other. I honestly don't know, but it's the one thing I could think of to try and help a fellow wrencher out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, go hit up the links, support the channel, hit up the Amazon store, do all the things, all right? And we'll see you in the next video or live stream. Oh man, now that I got into this, I got to start the Dream.